good.
Welcome to a very special Christmas edition gameplay. We're going to start off with an action-packed game of Team Deathmatch, and then we're going to get into North Pole Lockdown. This is a special game mode that we designed just for this event. This is our first time trying it out, and let me tell you, it does not disappoint. But we'll get more into the details on how that game mode works a little bit later. Today, I'm getting into my best Grinch character, and Bryce dressed up as Santa. We're going head-to-head with Team Santa versus Team Grinch. This day was a ton of fun. In fact, it might be one of the best days of Airsoft I had all year. This is another little bit longer format video, and I'm really excited to share these games with you, because I had an awesome time. Everyone showed up with their game faces on today, and while the field was cold and, well, a little bit icy, it was an awesome time, and I actually had a lot of fun slipping and sliding around on the ice once I got the hang of it. So anyway, let's get into this first round of Team Deathmatch.
There's one by tower. Oh shit! Santa! My mortal enemy! Ah! Shit! Ah! He's back. Push it up. Uh-oh.
It's becoming apparent pretty quickly that this sub-freezing temperature is affecting my gun. When the rubber in the bucking gets cold, it makes it harden, so it doesn't grip the BB quite as well. And I'm noticing right away that I'm getting significantly less distance than I usually do. And my BBs are also flying off to the right for some reason. I'm assuming that's just the cold as well. I'll have to adjust on the fly a little bit for the BBs going off to the side, but we'll make it work.
All right. Yeah. You got me. I'll be back. I'll be back for your Christmas spirit. Oh, a little icy here.
We're really held down over there. They got some range on us, but
On the left.
tagging. Yeah, on the left. They're getting close to us right now. If we push left, we got two guys over there, but nowhere to get up. What are you thinking?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Yeehaw! Let's steal their Christmas spirit. Yeah. Ah. You still up in the tower?
No, I'm dead.
Shoot.
I'm behind you now.
Oh, okay. Ah!
They're inside Chris's corner.
Okay. Yeah, they're at the tires. Ha. The cold gives me optimal performance. Yes! Ah! Poop. They're very close. Get him. Oh! Santa! One moving left in the woods. Got him. Ooh, ooh, woods heard. No presents for you.
That was a great warm-up game for the day. Now, let's get into the main event, North Pole Lockdown. The way that this game works, there are 3 Santa Clauses that are locked down in the North Pole, which is on the opposite side of the field that we're starting at. All of Team Santa, Santa's elves, are trying to protect the North Pole and keep us from reaching it. Team Santa has limited lives, so once they're eliminated 3 times, they're out of the game. All we have to do to win the game is eliminate all the elves, reach the North Pole on the other side of the field, and get 1 player inside of the building. And while that's already going to be a challenge in its own, there's more. The Santa Clauses are actually invincible, and one of them has a minigun. So once we reach the North Pole, in order to get inside the building, we're going to have to suppress so much that the Santa Clauses can't shoot back, and we have an opportunity to get close enough and get inside the door. This is going to be a challenge, but I know Team Grinch is up for it.
I'm coming across. Don't shoot me. Ah! You're in.
One thing to note about Team Grinch is it's medic respawn only, and myself and the other Grinch are the medics. We are technically invincible as well, but if we get hit, we are stunned in place for 10 seconds. So it's going to be really important to use cover well and keep moving.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, so
I think we should try to push left.
Yeah, so there's barrels,
Yeah.
right? And there's 3 dudes this way. One guy in the tan coat was running that way. We got Cam right there in that front door.
Okay. Oh, I see him, yeah.
Yeah. And he sees my fucking antlers, so he just keeps shooting at it.
All right. Ah. The sun is so bright, I can't see.
I know, I can't see shit.
I think we should push left.
Yeah.
The other Grinch is on the right, so if we get another medic going left, we should be golden.
Trying to get over this. Because I feel like if I can get behind that fucking building, we'll be all right. Did you get him?
I got Santa. Ah! Holy shit.
I think he nicked one of my
All right, I've got him pinned if you need to move.
Oh no, he hit one of my antlers.
Oh, you're
sure.
Gotcha.
I'm pretty sure I felt it flop back.
It's always the antlers.
I know, right?
Ah, so icy. All right, I'm going. Ah. Oh, hey. How we looking? That sun makes it so hard to see. Oh yeah. See, I'm gonna move up. Ah. Oops, sorry. Sorry, guys. That was so close. How we doing, guys? Everyone alive? I'm trying to get to you.
I'm in a bad spot. I'll understand if you don't.
Everyone back there alive? Push up, guys, push up.
They're good.
Ah, this sun is brutal.
I know. Can't see shit. Oh yeah.
Are you ready? Ah!
Yes, you're a hero. Watch out behind that window. Watch out behind that window.
You're good, you're good.
Yeah, watch out behind that window. They can see us right through it.
10 seconds stun.
I got you, boys. Don't worry.
All right, I'm going in.
Go
In the boat. Yes.
That was awesome.
It was fun too. Double whammy.
Oh, we need a medic out back.
Where?
Right out back.
Okay. I'll go for it. Ah. I'm coming.
Watch Watch out inside Hell House. That's all you got. That's all I see.
Ah!
Go, go, go.
Watch the ice, buddy. Watch the ice. It's all icy right here. Thank you. All right, so
Yeah.
got, it's either Cam or one of his buddies. He keeps poking his head out the left side door right there.
Okay.
Of Hell House.
Yep.
And he can fucking zip him right through.
Okay.
So, but I haven't seen him poke out since he got him, so he might have moved.
Okay. Move up, man, move up. We got this. Okay, gotta get up there. Revive my friend. Sneaky, sneaky.
Are you pink?
No, he's on our team now. He's on
Okay.
our team now.
Okay. You scared me so bad, dude. I saw you coming up and I saw your tag. I'm like, no.
I don't know about inside this red crate, but... Oops, sorry, bud.
I wasn't here the last time.
Oh, really?
This happened.
Oh, dang.
There's water. There's a lot of ice there. Nobody
Yeah, yeah. You good? Oh, no. That's all right. Collateral damage. You good?
Yeah.
You need a medic? I'm coming. Ah. I got you. Liv
Thank you. I feel power.
is alive.
I'm alive. A few minutes ago, I was in the dirt pile, kind of hiding.
I think we're good to push up. Oh, this is tiring. I don't know why I volunteered myself to be a medic. Shit. It looks like there's nobody on that left side. If you sneak around that way, I bet you can sneak up and get some kills. Ah! Oh! One sec.
Yeah, so he's in the flower shop far right, or far left window.
Heard.
It's Cam, buddy.
Ah! Oh! Yeah. Get him! Good job, dude. Ah! Crossing you? Crossing, crossing. You good?
Yeah, I'm
You're in?
good. I just can't get him moving.
Oh, he's got that.
What?
Ah! Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, nice job. Just a reminder, Grinches have 10-second respawns. I don't want to do you dirty. Oh! No. You're good, you're good. I'm out again. Yeah.
Alright, I think all the elves are down. Now is our chance. I'm gonna suppress the door and hopefully my team will start moving up.
Oh! We gotta push, guys. They're all dead. They're all dead.
Between all three of those Santas shooting back and that minigun, my team can't get up to the door. I know the clock is almost out. I have to do something now. I'm gonna have to throw in a fresh mag and go full on Leroy Jenkins mode to try to take home the win.
You want to suppress that door for me? Hey guys.
Hello. Is that a game?
Yeah.
Is that game?
Yeah.
Game over! Holy shit, Jack.
Who kept shooting me? Good job, dude. Sorry.
That was me.
Well, there you have it. Sometimes you really just have to go for it and hope it pays off. In this case, it did. We took home the win in this awesome game mode. I had a really amazing time at BAP for this special Christmas event. Like I said, it was probably one of the most fun days that I had in Airsoft all year. And with this video, I'm saying goodbye to 2025. This will be the last video of the year, but don't worry, there's a lot more amazing things to come next year. Stay tuned for a recap video early in the next year that's going to go over everything that we experienced together in 2025. And it's going to go over everything that I have planned for this channel in 2026. I am so excited for it, and I hope you are too. So I say goodbye to you for the last time in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you so much. Have a Merry Christmas, and I can't wait to see you next time.